Today, we will dive deep into all markets from crypto to stocks and even gold. We will talk about finding great assets to invest in and take positions. We will learn when to be aggressive or defensive. If you are good to go, let's start now. Let's chat about markets to see if we can find a great buying opportunity. As you know, Bitcoin is struggling around this 100k level for the last 2 months, mostly accumulating the orders. This SR Philip line and imbalance inside is very critical for me. So there are two cases here. Price can keep continuing to accumulate orders and then rally, or make a deep dive first into these imbalances before the rally. In any case, I still keep buying Bitcoin with my working agent system. At the moment, I am mostly on the defensive side. If it crashes, then I will get more aggressive. Next is Solana. As you know, Solana is my favorite coin. At the moment, as you can see, we are stuck on this SR Philip zone, fully filled, the most imbalances. Around these price points, actually I am much more aggressive with Solana. However, in less frequency, meaning that I buy like 2 or 3 times a month at the moment. I'm not trying to buy every single week. When I compare Solana to Bitcoin or Ethereum, you need to know Solana can crash really bad. After all, this coin dropped from $250 to $8 at some point. But on the other hand, when Solana rallies, it is extremely profitable one. Many people ask me about XRP. I think we mostly missed the rally with the XRP coin. On the other hand, if you notice, this deep dive to multi-imbalance area actually gave the perfect buy point if you were watching the XRP. To be honest, at this point, I do not invest in XRP. However, you can still invest it if you want, but you need to be very defensive with your positions at this price level. And the last coin that I would like to talk about is ADA coin. I think this coin gave us a very pleasing buying opportunities around this SR Philip and imbalances. At the moment, I'm a little bit more aggressive with this coin. I hope that with the long-awaited second leg of the altcoin rally, this coin will do great with my working agents and bring me really great profits. Before moving on to the stocks, I just want to talk about gold a bit. First of all, I am normally a weekly gold buyer to hedge my investing portfolio. However, right at the moment, these price points are, in my opinion, a little bit way too expensive to add. Or if you still want to invest, you need to be really defensive because it is extremely extended right now. I mostly loaded my positions right here when the gold was declining into multi-imbalance levels. You can see why gold is a very important asset to keep your balance and portfolio in check. I always see gold as my insurance. Oh, the next is Tesla, our beloved Tesla stock. Tesla is in a deep crash after almost hitting the $500 levels. This is why I keep saying, when you buy anything on rally or when it is very expensive, you have to be really defensive. Because no rally continues forever. I think Tesla crashed really well, giving us some buying opportunities and to be more aggressive at the moment. But the problem with Tesla is not the stock itself, but Elon Musk. I think he's way too much involved in politics nowadays, and this hurts the company a lot. When you divide your focus on multiple things, you will never master any of them. Never forget this. And the PLTR, my crazy beloved other stock. Like Solana, I love PLTR so much as a stock. Now it looks like it's starting a nice pullback. I would like to see a deep dive in this multi-imbalance area below, so I can be more and more aggressive on the positions. My last verse will be about Google. I think Google is in a very great buy point nowadays, and it is time for me to be more aggressive with my working agents engine. It is mostly filled, most imbalances around this SR Philip area. My only problem with Google is they are slow in the artificial intelligence game. Gemini is good, not bad at all, but the competition is so hot. Google must step up their AI game, otherwise the stock may stick around these price levels for a really long time. Okay folks, I hope that you enjoyed this video. This is it for the day and see you next time. If you want to enhance your knowledge on investing, you can join me on a swing investing masterclass with working agents strategy. You'll be learning 100% what I do and how I swing invest my cash. It is based on weekly buy and sell routines with adjusted amounts from stocks and cryptocurrencies. The best part is we never go for precision. Instead, we focus on adjusting our entry amounts. You will learn about how to use a weekly mechanic working agents engine. Create yourself a only 1 hour per week routine based system. You will learn what to buy from coins and stocks and how to read and understand high quality fundamentals. Finally, we will work on how and when to buy anything with technical analysis. We will adjust our entries and buy anything on any time we wish for. If you are interested, check out this video description or my website. See you later, friends. Do not forget to manage your risks and stay safe, please.